In this video, you will learn the machine learning workflow used in Neural Designer. This workflow consists of 7 steps that guide you from the initial problem definition to the final model deployment. The first step is selecting the model type. You define whether your problem is a regression, classification, or forecasting task. This decision determines the neural network structure and the metrics to be used later. Next, you configure the dataset, which contains the information used to build the model and is structured as a table of rows and columns. In this step, Neural Designer allows you to automatically load the data, assign variable roles, input, target, or unused, handle missing values, apply scalars or transformations, and split the rows into training, selection, validation, testing, or unused subsets. The training data teaches the model, the selection data guides hyperparameter tuning, and the testing data evaluates final performance. In addition, statistics and data distributions help you better understand the dataset, while correlation analysis identifies the most relevant factors for your application. A well-prepared dataset is the foundation of a reliable and accurate model. In the third step, you design the neural network. In Neural Designer, you choose the architecture, the number of layers and neurons, and the activation functions. This defines the mathematical structure that will learn from your data. The fourth step is setting the training strategy. Here, you select the loss function, the optimization algorithm, and the stopping criteria. Training adjusts the weights and biases to minimize the error between predictions and targets. Once you have a first trained model, you can try to improve it by running the model selection process. This evaluates the model on the selection subset and compares performance across different configurations. The goal is to prevent overfitting and keep the model that performs best on unseen data. After selecting the final model, the testing analysis examines its generalization capability. You compute metrics, generate plots, and analyze the model's performance on the test subset. This step validates the model's reliability. Finally, you move to model deployment. Neural Designer lets you export the model, generate predictions, create reports, and integrate it into external applications or automated workflows. These 7 steps make up the complete workflow in Neural Designer. In the next module, you will start using the software, learn how to install it, and explore its user interface.